Hello, in this video I want to share with you a few tips on how to set up POCO F6 Pro for a senior person. To this, first we'll need to launch our settings, navigate to additional settings and enter accessibility. Right here we can go for the vision. First one we're going to change is the display size, so here you can change how big your display will be, and that changes all of the icon sizes, button sizes as well as the text. Make sure to save it and then navigate to magnification. Here you can activate magnification shortcut, which adds this icon floating around your screen. You can click on it anytime to enter magnification mode, click anywhere else on the screen to zoom in, or click on the icon to zoom out. Then we can go back and navigate to remove animations. I would strongly recommend to enable it. It reduces motion sickness when using your phone. Then there's a high contrast text, which adds black outline to all of the text, which makes it also much more visible. And honestly, that would be all of the settings I would recommend to change. You can experiment here even more if you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.